Moist. Why you don't like that word? Your forehead is small as hell. I just want to say that I'm so proud of my client's hair. When she first came to me, she had blonde hair, and she also had dyed it like a pink color as well. I want to see if I can find some pictures, and maybe I'll insert it here. As you can see, her hair is very like brittle at the ends, very dry. So we literally had to cut all of that off, and this was our results afterwards. She had mentioned that when she would oil her hair, the ends of her hair just sucked up all the moisture, and that's what blonde hair does. It literally sucks up all the moisture in your hair. So one thing I do want to preach is that we absolutely should take care of our natural hair first. It does not make any sense for us to have a protective style if we're not taking care of our hair underneath. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk. Now back to the video.
You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Oh, my life, yeah. You brought the days to my night. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Me no look no other way. Do anything for my babe. Oh wow, too much on that body, babe. You go take my breath away. Oh wow, she go.
Again, I'm going back in with the Got To Be gel on top of the cap as well. I just don't like the Got To Be spray just because it sprays everywhere. And with the spike gel, I just have more control of where it goes.
Yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you
Moist. Why you don't like that word?
Like it's a texture. You know how you always say it's a texture thing.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's
Okay, sit back for me.
it's so nasty.
You funny.
It like sent chills up my spine.
That word?
Mm-hmm.
I can't.
are the time of my life. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. And you brought the days to my forever. Nights. Yeah, forever. I can't put it in words. No. You brought the days to my nights. Something you do to my heart.
Stop what you are doing right now. You're watching this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I got big goals out here. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. So go ahead and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Back to the video. This be making your head look so small.
Say ear ain't enough. This about to be a 360.
No, for real. I feel like your forehead is gone. You see it?
Barely.
Like, all you got is this. But this part
It's too long.
Continue watching and you'll see exactly how I fixed this small forehead problem. I feel like once I actually start sewing down the sides of the frontal, then it was easier for me to fix that middle part. So here we're just applying my client's foundation. We used liquid foundation, and you just definitely want to make sure you don't use a lot. Just dab a little bit on your hand and then just blot it on there. I do prefer the cream foundation over the liquid foundation or the powder. This is just what we had on hand.
Empty-handed, you like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty.
I am using Bold Hold in this video, and we're going to add a number of 3 layers of this glue. Comment below if you have used any other lace front glue, whether it holds longer. I did hear that Bold Hold Active is a good one. So comment down below if you have any recommendations for a good lace frontal glue.
Stuck on you.
Here I'm just pressing down the frontal into the glue, And then I'm gonna cut it into 3 different sections. That's just how I like to lay my frontals.
What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed?
To be honest, I actually did not even like the boho glue just because it wasn't as tacky as I thought it would be.
Can we trust the stars above to let us know and go? We only get this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind.
Okay, so here is the middle part, and this is definitely where we had to pull the lace back a little bit, and you can see that it isn't sticking right there, so I have to pull it back, glue it down, and then I have to sew it down in the back.
Going off to different places, different planets.
Okay, Scout. Breathe. Look at my little ponytail.
Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home.
Oh, honey, it's giving scalp.
I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
Okay, yay! So this is the styling part. This is honestly my favorite part of any hairstyle. So my last video that I uploaded was a half up, half down, and I've been posting a lot of half up, half downs lately. So go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video while you watch me style her hair. Okay, watch me slay, honey. And if you made it this far into the video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. This lets me know that you're enjoying my content and you want me to post more.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
I do want to say that this video is from February 11th of 2022. So this has been a year from now, and I am going to be updating you all on my techniques. So as the videos keep rolling out, the content is going to get better and better. I just have to catch up on old content that I have just sitting in my phone. So I got to get these videos out to you, and the updated techniques will be coming. Just be patient.
Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't even know flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
There we go. There we go. It's giving curls. It's giving volume. It's giving shine. It's giving everything it needed to give. It's giving.
Baby,
girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind, ooh, girl.
Be sure to like, comment, share this video with a friend, and subscribe on the way to reach 1,000 subscribers. Peace, love, and blessings. I'm out.